Welcome back to yet another episode. We are on our way to go hiking with some people I've never met before, to be fair. So hopefully they don't kill me. I'm pick them up at the train station in a couple of minutes. If there's no videos after this, I died. Now we're gonna enjoy today. It's at least for now blue skies. It's supposed to be raining soon-ish, like during dinner time, lunchtime, breakfast, brunch, lunchtime, sorry, English, you know, I don't speak that language. That being said though, let's enjoy whilst it's still nice out and I don't know where I parked my car. Oh, I'm losing my chain of thought here. Well, either way, you know what we're doing. All right, that's the intro, I guess. So we are back at home, or on our way home now. It was a bit wet, but it was still a nice hike. I definitely not complaining. It was a good day. Now gonna just go back at home and do some office work. That's gonna be probably the episode for today. If not, I apologize, but thanks for watching. I'll see you around again. Stay hydrated, do some sports. Peace.